Hester knockbacks. But like we've been doing every single time, we regroup immediately after knockbacks, and we Typhoon their engage. Every time. If we need a kite, we call for kites.
Stay back here.
There's way more than 20. There's like 24.
It's fine, we hold.
24?
It's fine, we win these.
They fucking suck.
We got Storpic and Armoth, dude.
I mean, I wouldn't worry. One of the people on top of him is an Iron Man.
Listen, no cash buff. They're gonna get wrecked, dude.
I wanna feed.
It's time, boys. Let's go.
I got flame
Yeah, I
cap
see him.
ready. I'm so ready.
No reason to play 2 aggro, honestly.
Yeah, no reason. Casters, no reason.
I'm not
to play
really
too
gonna
aggro.
dive
We
too much.
We take what they give us. We take what they give
I'm
us.
running down mid.
I'm playing hella aggro, I don't know about you.
I'm running it down mid.
And mid lane just welcomed its newest fucking Broadway member. It's me.
I'm right now.
They're moving up. The fuck you want?
I'll
pussy?
call for Bloodlust first. You see bombs on the right? I like him every fucking time. Obviously,
Grandpa,
We can
do-
play up around the
we
LOS
punish-
if we want.
Yep.
Yeah, don't
Just
leave,
fill it.
don't lose your buffs. If you cross that little river, you lose your buff.
Same
Yeah,
stone arches.
Yeah, I gotta run back and get mine.
There's just a fucking Iron Man here.
Right there, right there.
you know?
Oh, fucking hell. That's
He's
not
Iron
even
Man.
well done, dude.
Let them come to us to stay at the arch.
Yeah, just back off.
You have fear ward
That's
riff.
like, don't get picked.
I won't get picked.
You're so gay. Come over here.
Look for overextensions. We're good.
I keep dropping my fucking buff. Y'all don't have the cash buff over there, by the way.
Yeah, I'm not.
Y'all want me? Nah, I'm not going over there. I'm not going over there. I'm letting our bombers do whatever.
Yep. Well, the bombers do it.
We can't really do anything because they just trade.
Here's their engage. Here's an engage.
Left side,
Yeah.
left
Shadow
side.
on the left.
They're
Shadow
full
on the left,
pushing.
Shadow on the left.
Hester behind! Hester behind! Hester behind!
I'm deep. I need help bad.
Arkin, Arkin, Arkin! Hester, we can die.
Shadows on left, shadows on left.
Shadows on left. Shadows on left.
Yeah, they're taking so much damage, dude, so much!
Shadows on left if you can reach. Gummy bears in the front. Gummy bears in
I
the
need
front.
help. Oh fuck, I can't find. Woo.
A bubbly?
Face up rep. Face up rep.
You shouted me?
Arkin if you reach. Arkin if you can reach.
Toxic, toxic!
All on top of us.
What the fuck, man? They're so
I'm
gay.
pre-shading, I'm pre-shading.
So cringe.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. If we can get back to place, we're fine.
Shadows on left. Shadows
Ramp
on left.
up, ramp up, ramp
I'm
up!
impact, I'm impact.
Kyria if you need.
Oh, Shadows on is so low.
TBH
Help, help,
middle.
help, help,
TBH middle.
Need help?
Pick us mid.
I can fear, big girls. Feared him, feared him.
Divine right. Divine right.
Yes,
Need help,
coming.
need help.
Arkin.
I'm pulling back.
Typhoon.
Shadow Song on the left, Shadow Song's complete. Push up on Shadow here.
Ramp up.
Push up on Shadow.
No, kill Shadow Song.
Ramp up.
He bubbled. Ramp up dead.
Just chill, still
Slutty
chill.
dome right. Slutty dome right.
Just chill.
Slutty dome right.
Yeah. Gummy. Gummy's out of position. I'm rooting him.
Gummy.
Come back to you.
Kyria.
I mean, they took the loss.
Doomage.
Doomage.
I'm big on Doomish right here. Oh, he ran back.
DV on right.
They're all diving on me,
Arkin.
Fury? Kira?
Arkin.
Switch up?
Kyria now.
Yes,
Someone
sir.
so-
Typhoons.
Nice.
Nice Typhoons.
Silence.
I'm big on the Chinas.
Relax and
Shadow bubble. Rooted. He can get nuked. He's dead. Dead for sure. I might die as well.
Arkin.
Please. Nice.
Arkin.
I'll try.
I'm dead. It's fine. Keep going. They have no Shadow Song.
Hester.
Just keep holding this line.
Peel.
We need one Typhoon here. We need
Kyria.
Esther.
Need Typhoons.
I got
Esther.
one.
I'm evoing in the corner.
Oh.
Arkin now.
I should be back up in like 20 seconds.
Arkin.
We need it.
Big girls if you can reach.
I can get back up in a few
Yeah, we
seconds
change
here.
rush. I have one Typhoon here.
I can rest here.
Fuck.
I can rest in a second.
Hester.
2 minutes looking.
Doomage.
Come back to you.
Arkin.
Yo, they're overstunned for me. Kira! Kira!
TBH on left. Really open, really open.
Toxic! 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 Firo!
Toxic, toxic, toxic.
TBH. Hell on TBH. He's gonna
Toxic down! Toxic down!
I'm dead, I'm dead.
Shadow! 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 Shadow dead! Shadow dead! They're fucking griefing! Hester! Hester! Hester!
I'm silenced.
He's rooted?
I'm big on Hester.
Help.
Pick up calls.
Arkin! Arkin!
Get
Arkin!
left pillar,
Arkin!
get
Arkin!
left pillar.
Just get free kills.
Just keep holding this, holding this.
Yeah, yeah.
Play to the left, play to the back left, play to the back left.
I've cloak up.
Don't get,
Big Girls
don't
is
get
out of
pushed
position.
Don't get pushed up against the wall.
Yeah, just kite it around, kite it
Yeah,
around.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm in front, I'm in front.
Yeah, use this.
Zodi coming in.
Use the line.
TBH on the right, half health. half
Bombs!
health.
Bombs! Bombs!
Use this line, use this line, use this line.
I'm so big on him.
Oh, he's getting
On the
nuked.
corner.
The only reason why they can play at this is
Drop
because
this
they have
shit
more.
down.
Sursat! Sursat!
I can res, but I'm in the middle of their team, kind of. I have to type
No,
in
no, no,
immediately.
that shit's slow.
Paints up ref.
Nice.
Let me know if you're resing this. I can probably.
3, 2, 1 now.
I gotta pull back.
Before you
Big on red.
I got you. I got you. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Bombs in the middle.
Ah, focus here.
We have two guys on the right, two guys.
Two guys on the right, yeah, single them out, single them out. Doomage, free! Doomage down! No, 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 no!
So big, so big, so big.
He's dead, 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 toxic, toxic right after! Charge Shadow!
Shadow strong.
God.
Shadow.
Shadow, Shadow dead! Shadow dead! Shadow dead! Hester, 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 Hester!
Hester.
I'm pre-shotting, I'm pre-shotting.
Come on.
Be close, be close.
You close, kill him?
We need to
Go
kill
to
Toxic
Tinas.
low.
Tinas
Guys,
in front.
Typhoon's push. Typhoon them out. Typhoon them out.
Hester, Hester again?
When he pushes in.
Ramp up, ramp up! Yo, I'm fearing the backline. They're all fucking cloaked up, dude.
Power lost on the left. Power lost on the left.
Save me. No.
I'm dead again, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Arkin.
Don't worry
Look at
about me.
Arkin. Look at Arkin. Look at Arkin.
Yeah, they're way out of fucking
Oh,
position.
listen, it's so
Keep
fucking low.
Typhoons up. Keep Typhoons up.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they're playing so fucking greedy just because they have more.
Typhoon 3, I need one to
Keep
cover.
kiting. Keep kiting.
Arkin,
Arkin,
come in.
Arkin.
Arc on the
Not
right.
going to water.
He's all the way in. Kill Arkin only, Arkin only.
Nice,
Nice.
good kill, good kill, good kill. Only Latinas, he's a bit front. Pink
Pick up
doesn't come
spawning
in.
in 3, 2, 1 now.
They have so many, bro.
Their healers are fucking running low on mana. Their healers are low on mana.
Keep pressure.
Just keep pressuring them. They're so fucking clumped up,
I
man.
have two fine, Typhoon 2.
Big girls if you
Right,
reach.
right, right.
Yeah, we're chilling. I Typhoon here.
I'm back, boys. I'm back. Let's go.
DVI.
DVI. Let's go. Big girls middle. Big girls middle. Let's go. Push back their bulk. Push back bulk. Kieran now.
I'm up at 10, up at 10, up at 10.
Fuck, that's so good.
Up at 10.
Full regroup. Toxic low out.
Up at 10 and I can go for an AoE fear. Up at 10 in their backline.
Nice.
I'm up in 2 seconds.
Arkin left.
Kieran now. Kieran
Fear
now.
the backline.
2 minutes loud. 2 minutes now. 2 minutes now.
Hester down. No,
2 minutes now.
I'm silenced.
Typhoon. Typhoon.
I fear the backline, big push.
Nice.
Expert.
Expert now.
They went hard on me.
Actually,
Nice. Go.
Only Latinas if you
No,
reach.
no,
Only
no,
Latinas
no.
if you reach.
don't overcommit.
We go one Typhoon now?
We
Nice.
win this fight. We win this
Kieran,
fight.
Kieran now. He's over
Slide.
I'm evoing in the back.
We win the long
Arkin
run.
here.
Arkin.
Hester.
I'm Typhoon him.
We do way more damage to these fucking pussies, dude.
Neck. I'm shining.
Typhoon bulk. Doomage right.
Doomage is free, Doomage. Big. Doomage in.
Together.
Big girls.
They have no mana. We can push.
Yeah, they have nothing.
Circle. They have no mana. Go.
Big
go, go.
push.
Go, Swordfall.
I'm not up. Be careful. We don't really have much front line.
Just on the right.
But just play aggro. Play on those pillars as well.
Kieran, if you can reach. Arkin left.
Ramp up left, Heist.
Play on pillars and play together. They're all clumped up around this one pillar. All clumped up here.
Kieran, if you reach. Typhoon's on cooldown.
I'm up in 50 seconds.
Cash spawn.
Cash is up.
Catch this spawn.
They're going
Hold on,
for it.
fuck the cash. Fuck the cash.
They're going for it.
Fuck
Okay.
the cash.
Only
Yeah,
Latinas,
they're forfeiting
only Latinas.
positioning. They're forfeiting positioning.
Expert.
Surge left.
Expert left.
No.
Oh, he's still alive.
I'm up at 30. I'm up at 30 with big cooldowns.
They loaded it. Who cares?
DVI.
Keep going.
Big girls left.
Don't get too greedy.
They're playing around this LOS. Like, careful.
Yeah,
Kyria,
don't
Kyria.
LOS your healers. Don't LOS your healers. Get
I'm really back, I'm really back.
regroup. I'm up in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. I'm up. 10 seconds and I'm up.
Toxic back.
Oh, I need help. I need help. I need CDs from healers. I'm dead.
I'm up. I'm up.
I need help.
Go to the
I'm
west,
up.
man.
I'm up, guys.
Gummy. Typhoon bolt. Peel back now. Peel back now. Typhoon bolt.
They're all pushing me. They're all pushing me.
It's fine.
Arkin,
Typhoon
Arkin.
bolt now. Curio,
Here?
let's hit it.
Impact one.
Shadow's on the left. Shadow's on the left.
Shadows on
Has
left.
to come. Has to
He's
come.
ready?
Has to come in.
He's right, Josh.
Kill it.
Hester. Shadows on left. You can reach.
They're going hard on me.
Hester.
Yeah. This fucking
Got him, nice,
retard,
nice,
man.
Bombs right.
They have nothing.
Bombs right.
Shadow's again. He's rooted.
Shadow's
He bubbled instantly. I'm taking heat though.
Only if we can reach.
I need help. Oh shit.
Gummy bears now.
Gummy. I can't go in for.
Left.
Yeah.
Slide.
I'm gonna fear Shadow. I'm gonna fear Shadow. I fear them.
Big shadow.
Damage.
Doom Mitch now. Gummy bears
They're
right.
going hard
Gummy
on me.
bears right.
They're going big on me right now.
Typhoon back.
Hey, keep knocking back. Gummy's dead.
Nice.
I'm taking the
Stride's
fucking thing.
left. Stride's left. Big
They
girls,
committed
bombs,
so much on
strides,
me, man.
Big girls.
Big girls.
Kill.
And bombs.
Bombs now. Shadows on left. Divide. Shadows on now. He's targeting me. He's
Pull back a
targeting
bit.
now.
Oh, fuck. I just looted
Fuck.
my Magtheridon.
Ooh.
Shadow and Hester. Dude, how's Hester
They're
rezzing so
play
fucking
together,
up?
play
Shadow right here. He's rooted again. Fear. They're playing this corner right here. This fucking cock, man.
That just
Wow,
happened.
that's a fucking giga knock.
They have this many people more than us, and they're fucking actually struggling. this much.
Bumps.
Hester.
Call.
Doomage out of position.
Peel back.
Ramp up.
Resing closest town is way faster, by the way.
Not if you're an outlaw.
You're an
You
outlaw.
go back to fucking chat, man.
Shadow's on looking.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Shadow Song. He's rooted.
Peel back.
They're
for
pushing up on the
Walker,
left.
peel
They're pushing
for
back.
Walker.
Yeah,
Typhoon
they're
for
pushing on the left. Just knock them back.
Regroup.
Buy time. If we can get some mana back, we'll be good.
Yeah. Happen.
Only
Don't drop bombs
Latinas.
in raid. Don't drop bombs in raid.
I'm coming in.
I'm drinking up.
3, 2, 1 now.
I've big coolers up coming. Yeah, I bubble back up.
Looking on right.
Kierster's free as fuck.
Kyria.
Yeah. Hotman.
Yo, I'm popping lust.
Yeah, Lust. Yeah, I'm going. I'm just going in. It's time. I'm
Big
going.
girls left.
Ramp up.
Silence toxic. Nice. Good.
Good silence.
Nice. Good pick.
I'm going. Fear in the back line. Fear them.
Doom Mitch.
Bubbling.
Orchid.
Arkin.
Together.
Ramp up.
Doom Mitch left.
Gummy.
Doom Mitch left. Let's go. Pull.
TBH on the left.
TBH left. You can reach. Typhoons.
Push up on this right side. They're weak right.
Yeah, get right. Take right.
Weak right.
Orchid big. Dude. Let's go.
They're weak right. I'm taking big heat.
CBH.
I could die here. Big girls now. He's dead.
You're right. Your paint's up.
Nice.
Big shadow for you here.
Going with me. Push.
Gummy.
Hard push. I'm fearing.
Here.
Shadows on left.
Hester. Move for line. Ramp up rooted.
Only
Hester.
Only Latinas left. Pyro left.
Cursor again.
So cringe.
Peel regroup.
Hester no bubble in a second here.
Bombs middle. Peel regroup.
I have no more cooldowns.
Peel regroup. Divide.
Big.
Ramp up left. Hester. Typhoon this engage.
I have one here. Big one.
Typhoon. Doom Mitch left. Bombs left.
Slutty.
Big girl's right.
They're taking so much damage.
Only Latinas. Hydra middle.
Yeah,
middle.
Stop. I'm silence. Nice.
Kyria
Oh,
now.
God, I'm
Kyria
dead.
now. Typhoon now. Orchid. Typhoon.
Hester left, Hester left, Hester left.
Look at Hester, look at Hester, look at Hester.
Together.
Yeah, rebuff if you have medic. We've had a lot of people die.
Ramp up now, and then hard switch big girls. Hard switch big girls left. Hard switch big girls left.
Hester
Oh,
mounting out
Tinas.
from left side.
Orchid.
Hester mounting out left side. Watch.
Oh, fuck.
Typhoon to protect.
Good typhoons, good
Hester
typhoons.
coming in again.
Slutty gnome left. I'm bubbling.
Bombs is taking the dick, by the way.
Typhoons.
I need innervate.
Alright, peel now. Typhoon. Peel now. Suraj, if he overextends. TBH right.
Good disengage.
TP short, his paint's up on him.
I'm
Not a
deep
good
in
start.
trouble. Peel now.
I can get up in 50. They only really have backline. They have like no front line right now.
Typhoons.
Big girls is way up front. Ramp up out of position. Way out of position. Free kill.
He missed it, he fucking misplayed it.
Shadow Song.
Song.
Shadowsong's free as fuck.
Hard.
What's this retard doing, man?
Breaking.
Bubble.
Keep going.
Kill.
I got next.
Kill Shadow.
Play together.
Hester left side.
I'm gonna die here.
Oh my god.
They have so many, man.
They're so fucking trash, man.
I'm pretty sure they have at least 30.
If y'all can suffer, I mean, I'm gonna be up. I don't know if we can regroup, but
I don't.
No, that's the end.
Yeah, we're all dead.
Bro, I did.
I actually think they have 30.
kill an Arcan back here, dude.
So many, man.
I kept the IMAC there on. Fuck them.
I killed fucking Arcan back here.
23.
What a bunch of fucking cucks, man.
There's no way that's.
They have so many healers,
Actually,
man.
there's no way.
They say
Well-
23.
Either they have 8 healers and 23, or they have 27.
They had suicide plays. They'd run in and fear and just die.
Yeah.
Run. Rev.
They're fucking trash.
Bro, when is this thunderstorm thing being removed?
Dude, for real. They literally suck so
They
much
only play
fucking
it.
dick, man.
They just play for that. Toxic LOL and Hester just only does that shit.
I mean, there's about 8 of them.
They overran us and got that cash buff. That's the fight, man. They were taking 30% the whole time. And they also are able to LOS us behind those fucking pillars.
Yeah, it's impossible to cast. Just Typhoon. Hall.
I think there's no way we could hold the hold the position when they have thunderstorms though. Like ever.
Absolute fucking trash players at this fucking game.
Yeah,
We played out of our goddamn minds though. That's like the best that you can fucking do against being outnumbered that much. And them literally just thunderstorming on fucking cooldown. So
how many
fucking
times
cringe.
it has to